To measure your internet speed, you can typically use various online speed test services. Open any web browser. Go to one of the popular speed test sites like speedtest.net, fast.com, or Google's speed test. There's usually a button that says Start Test, Go, or something similar on the site. Click this button to initiate the speed test. Once the test is complete, it will display your download and upload speeds. These figures represent the speed of your internet connection. Your internet speed can vary at different times of the day, so it's a good idea to perform multiple tests at various times. If available, compare these speeds with the ones promised by your internet service provider. When conducting an internet speed test, it's advisable to keep your network as free as possible by ensuring other devices are not using it during the test. This can help you achieve more accurate results. See you in another video. Thank you for watching.